Skies were taking flight, clicking shots from day to night. Skin the rooftops, here we all watch the projects rise and fall. Solar panels getting scanned, we're the eyes above the land. Marketing from heights so fine, capturing your grand design. Skytracking our drones do roam from the valley to your home. Piedmont views from high above, precision working crafted love. Construction sites we oversee, aerial shots for you to see. From the base to top we track, never missing what you lack. Roof inspection, solar screens, every detail in between. Professional pilot in command, bird's eye view at your demand. Progress check from week to week, making sure those beams don't creep. We capture all from dawn till dusk, in our drones you can trust. Solar panels getting scanned, we're the eyes above the land. Marketing from heights so far,